Hi and welcome to another episode in the social media section of 90-Second Knowledge. In today's video, we're going to take a look at how to schedule a post in Facebook Business Suite. As always, don't forget to share some social love and hit the subscribe button and the alerts button too, so you'll get notifications of all our latest content as soon as it hits YouTube and our website. When you're running a business, it always feels like time is against you, and anything that you can do to save some time is going to be a massive benefit and allow you to focus on other areas of running your business. That's exactly what the scheduling feature of Facebook Business Suite allows you to do. It allows you to plan the publishing of all your social media posts at the start of the week, so you don't have to think about them and focus on other areas instead. So let's get 9 seconds on the clock and take a look at how to schedule a post in Facebook Business Suite. Scheduling a post in Facebook Business Suite is really easy. Whether you're creating a story or a post, the process is the same. In this example, we'll click Create Post. In the pop-up that appears, create the post that you want to schedule. If your page is connected to an Instagram feed, you can tick whether you want your post to appear just on Facebook, on Instagram, or both. You'll also see a preview of your post on the right hand side so you can see how it will appear in the newsfeed. Once you're done creating your post, you'll see the blue button that says Publish in the bottom right hand corner. But instead of clicking Publish, click the drop down arrow to the right hand side. You'll see two options. You can save your post as a draft to edit again later, or you can click Schedule Post. You'll now see another window appear and you can set the date and time when you want your post to be published on your behalf. Once you've set your date and time, click Save. You'll now see the button has changed to Schedule Post and you can click that to save your post as a scheduled post. But you can also click the drop down again to change the time or choose to publish now. There are also two ways that you can view future scheduled posts in case you want to edit them. The first is to click Planner. This will take you to a calendar view and you can cycle through the weeks to see the posts that you've scheduled for the future. The other option is to click Posts and Stories. Once this page loads, click the Schedule tab at the top and you'll see a list of all the future scheduled posts that you've created. So there you go. That's how you can use Facebook Business Suite to schedule the publication of your social media posts across Facebook and Instagram. Why not give it a go? Set up your next post to publish automatically. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And join us again soon for more practical digital marketing advice you can use with DO Digital.